In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to Clickfunnels. A countdown timer is a simple but powerful way to create urgency and boost conversions on your funnels. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add one to your page and customize it so it fits your design and your offer. First, go ahead and open the funnel page you want to work on inside the Clickfunnels editor. From your main dashboard, choose the funnel, select the specific step or page, and then click to open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see your page layout along with the editing toolbar. Now look for the Add Element option inside the editor. It's usually represented by an orange plus icon. This is where you can add all sorts of building blocks to your page, like headlines, buttons, images, and of course, countdown timers. Click that orange plus icon to open the Elements panel. With the Elements panel open, either scroll through the list until you see Countdown, or use the search bar at the top and type in Countdown. This is the element we'll be using. When you find it, you'll see a preview of the countdown styles available. Next, click and hold the countdown element and drag it onto your page. Drop it exactly where you want it to appear. You might place it near your main call to action button, above your pricing section, or at the top of the page so visitors see it right away. As you drag it around, you'll notice guidelines or placeholder areas showing you where you can drop it. Once the countdown is on the page, click directly on the countdown element to open its settings in the sidebar. This is where you'll set the end date or choose the type of timer you want. You can typically choose between a fixed end date, which ends at a specific time and day, or an evergreen timer, which counts down uniquely for each visitor. Pick the option that best matches your promotion or campaign and adjust any additional settings like time zone, style, or labels so it looks and behaves the way you want. After you're happy with how your countdown looks and is configured, make sure you click Save in the top right corner of the editor. This step is crucial, so you don't lose any of your changes. Once it's saved, your countdown timer is now live and ready to start driving urgency on your